Hi guys, this is Jason, and in this video I'll be looking at just how much does Juggling the Jenkins actually make on YouTube. But before we go any further, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. To find out how much Juggling the Jenkins make, we'll actually be using Social Blade. And as you can see here, so far she have uploaded 260 videos and has amassed a subscriber count of 195,000. And the video view so far is 13,553,266, and this channel was created in October of 2016. And if we should head over to the YouTube money calculator, we can actually see how much she's making. She's getting 12,500 daily views, and we'll be estimating that our CPM is $5. CPM, if you don't know, actually stands for cost per thousand, and this is the amount of money a YouTuber actually gets for every 1,000 views a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20. So if she's getting a CPM of $5 for every 1,000 views, she'll be earning $62 per day, and that will make it $1,875 per month. But that's before YouTube takes their cut of 45%. So if she's earning $1,875, after YouTube takes their 45%, she'll be getting $1,031. So she's actually earning $1,031 per month. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Thank you.